Hi, my name is Joe Shear with Precision Air Conditioning in Tallahassee, Florida. And what I like most about Tropic Supply is the people that work for them. Skip, my salesman, will do whatever it takes to make sure I have the piece of equipment I need undamaged at the job site. And also our delivery driver, Ken, who literally unboxes every unit we buy to check for any damage and actually puts the packing back in the box, which is another important thing for me, is to get undamaged product. Let's do the unveiling of her. Ooh. Air handlers are great, they're solid, and the aluminum coils have been amazing, holding up great, very easy to install, and they look great, they work great. One of the most awesome features about the condensers that absolutely threw me into the Ruud product is the 360 plus 1 access. You've got tons of access at your service valves, raisins and breeze, and 4 screws. Get the whole side out, you get your hands in there, check whatever you need to inside, just like that. So that's what I love about the condenser. Goes back on.
Hey, what you guys doing over there? Got one of them Ruud units you putting in over there? Huh?
But
Yeah.
man, this is Ruud.